Anchor safety through visualization and emotional anchoring, because your brain doesn't differentiate between real and imagined experiences. Close your eyes and visualize a safe, nurturing space where you feel deeply loved and supported. Anchor that feeling by placing your hand on a heart and breathe it in. And please repeat this process because it rewires your subconscious to associate being alone with safety.